Hi, I'm back to Treasure Island, specifically to Moto Guild on Treasure Island, and today's quest is to change tires on my beast. His name is Phoenix. I will be changing both front and rear, and I'm taking a workshop so that I can do this by myself, and I will be using a machine. Yeah, it will take a couple of hours. I'll need Torx. I'll need Torx screwdrivers. It's a Torx bolt. Thank you. Yeah, 50 this. We're gonna use Torx 50 to take the rear wheel off, 5 screws, and that's it. I unscrew the bolts in star pattern so that nothing is getting locked. Okay, done. What next?
So now it just slides out. So you're gonna have to angle it, bring the bottom out, so clear the pipe.
It is recommended to tight screws in star pattern, like this one goes, then this, and this. And when I tighten them up, I do rounds of first tightening to 20 Newton meters, then 40, and only then 60. And 60 will be the final round, which is a recommended value. We are going to remove these 3 bolts. This one is ABS sensor bolt and it is torque 30. And this one is 13 millimeters. And we are going to remove them from both sides. Same for the other side. You need to wiggle the calipers a little bit so that you can spread the pads and you can take this off. And now we're gonna hang this thing on my crash bars. Yeah, I'm unscrewing another bolt, which is T45. Yay! This guy. This. I'm unscrewing the axle nut before taking the wheel off, and that was after loosening the bolt on the side. Yay! Okay. So we snug the axle a little bit, and now I'm putting the sensor, the ABS sensor, back, putting a Loctite on it a little bit. I'm using finger tight, but I'm not sure whose fingers do we measure by.
So once you feel that, that's about where, because you put thread lock.
Okay.
So you torque down this bolt and the pinch bolts.
Tightening axle nut to 30 Newton meters. I'm tightening clamping screws to 19 Newton meters. I'm putting calipers on, and I'm actually using Loctite
This one,
for these guys. Yeah, 4 bolts, 2 on each side. And then I will be tightening them. Now 38. Okay. Both wheels are done. I'm ready to rock Mexico.